guys, we're here. How far? How's your day? How's everything going? I know you're fine because you're obviously watching me right now, so you're fine. So you guys know the last video now I reacted to the drop tests in the iPhone 11 Pro Max and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So in today's video I'm basically going to be reacting to the drop tests in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20, because how can we compare to the 11 Pro Max and not compare to like his junior brother, the Note 20? So let's see if Samsung actually did a better job, because okay, this Galaxy Note 20 is not actually, it's rocking the normal Gorilla Glass 5 and the back is plastic. So you can see that it has become, it's not as strong as the Ultra that is rocking the Gorilla Glass Victus and it has a glass back at the back. But either way, let's get into the drop test. And yes, next week Tuesday is the Apple event, so come back to this channel to know the first things about the iPhone 12. So yeah, basically we're going to the video now. We're going to start watching the drop test.
Round number 1.
Round 1.
In 3, 2.
So basically this drop is just the backdrop, so I don't actually believe anything. So anything you're seeing from the Note 20 Ultra is something that we've already watched in the last video. So we're basically just going to be concentrating on the Note 20. Okay, the Note 20 doesn't actually have any damage, just some scratches at the side. Just some scratches because it's plastic, like because it's plastic. So as we move forward, we skip and we move to the second round. The second round is the corner drop.
The results after the corner drop are almost identical.
So the results are basically similar. Nothing really happened to both of them. It's just corner drop. So build quality from the big notes and the small notes.
Round number 2. Round number 3.
Yeah, okay, it's fine. Basically fine. And now this is face flats. Okay, so now in the last video, the face flat drop, the Galaxy Note 20 actually survived. Even the bonus round, sorry, the Note 20 Ultra survived all the bonus round. And now we're checking, this is the face drop between both of them. So we just know the Note 20 Ultra is going to survive. Let's see if the Note 20 will survive too.
After the face drop, the Note 20 Ultra surprisingly survived without any real damage. This is presumably due to the use of Gorilla Glass Victus, and it's an impressive result, even if it's only a sample size of 1. The regular Note 20
and the Note 22 survived. Like, wow. And it's actually rocking the Gorilla Glass 5. It's rocking the Gorilla Glass 5. It's not actually rocking the Gorilla Glass Victus. But like, whatever, the number of sheets of Gorilla Glass this Samsung actually puts, this is nice. Like, this is actually nice. So you know that after this we're actually moving on to the bonus drop test, because that is how Phone Buff does it. This is the video I'm actually reacting to. So let's keep on to the bonus drop and let's see how many times the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra can actually survive landing face flat.
After a 15-point inspection, we move on to the bonus round, where last time the Note 20 Ultra was able to make it all the way through the bonus round.
So we can see the Note 20 Ultra survived, like no damage, the screen. So now you're actually going to the Note 20 first drop.
After the first bonus drop from just under 1.5 meters, the Note 20 still looks good.
The Note 20 survived. Okay, to be honest, I'm not actually expecting the Note 20 to survive, because it's not second drop, third drop, fourth drop.
4 drops in.
4 drops on the screen. No, Samsung, the ideas of these current Samsung smartphones were 6, 7.
Gorilla Glass 5 or not, the Note 20 is doing just
7 drops, face flat. It has not cracked. This is not the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the normal Galaxy Note 20, the cheaper version. Like,
but still a really impressive result thus far. And drop
8, 9, 10.
And after all 10 bonus drops,
No, like, I have to actually clap too for the Note 20 Ultra. I know I gave a round of applause to the Note 20 Ultra in the last video, but I have to clap for the Note 20 right now. Like, no, the engineers at Samsung, but you guys actually need, I hail you guys, because let me give you a quick story about Samsung phones. Samsung phones, they usually used to say that Samsung phones, they are fragile because when the screen now cracks, the whole phone has destroyed, because actually with Samsung's design, if the screen cracks, the whole phone has destroyed. And to fix the screen is like the same amount as you bought the phone, so it's better you just get a new phone. But right now with this Galaxy Note 20 and this Note 20 Ultra, if I get one of them and my phone actually drops face flat, I won't actually be scared like before, like if my phone drops, but like now I'll know that okay, because I'm using a screen protector and the screen alone is strong. Like this phone is like that phone, whatever, the Galaxy Note 20 series is built to last. And yes, if you are thinking about getting one, get it. Your iPhone will still break. But let's see how the iPhone 12 does when it launches. We'll actually react to another video of the drop test done by Phone Buff. Yeah, this is the channel that I'm actually reacting to actually see how that phone does. And yeah, that's basically this video. Just wait, before I go, we did actually calculate the score of the drop test. So the score of the drop test is that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra got the score of 37, in the last one, and the Note 20 got the perfect 40. Like all the rounds they gave it 10 over 10. So that is actually the first time a phone is getting 40 over 40 in this phone buster drop test. So like, history. Kudos to Samsung, kudos to everybody. I think we're done for the week. So the next videos are going to be coming out from next week. You just expect the iPhone 12 announcements, then from there we'll keep on making videos. And I think that this will be my 49th video. Next video is going to be my 50th video, so I can't believe I'm going to make like 50 YouTube videos. It's not easy, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.